Hello, good afternoon mga boss. This is Boss Hell again. And welcome to another vlog. And today, medyo change in scenery. Commonwealth Gaming tayo today. Galing kasi tayo ng Lagro. Bumisita tayo sa ating magulang. And part of our agenda today is going to Tabang office of Easy Trip. Okay. As you can guess it, may problema tayo sa ating RFID ng Easy Trip. It seems that it is not accepting yung account number natin. And thus, hindi tayo makapag-load. So, medyo bumababa na yung ating load balance dun sa ating RFID. Hindi naman tayo makapag-load through GCash kasi every time laging sinasabi is account not valid. Back in September of last year, nung bago pa tumunog yung problema na tatanggalin na nila yung cash lane, we decided to have both our cars to have an RFID. Actually, meron na yung CR-V but the Corolla, only then did we decide na pakabitan na rin siya ng RFID. And for convenience, just like what we did with the auto sweep, we had the accounts consolidated. Meaning, when two accounts gets consolidated, you only have to load one of the accounts. So you only have to remember one account whenever you are loading into the RFID balance.
Galing ha?
Dun sa, sa auto sweep, wala tayong problema. It was a breeze transacting. Dun sa consolidation, we didn't have any problems using auto sweep. Pero etong si Easy Trip, medyo kakaiba nakakaasa.
Paano masabi?
So when we were trying to consolidate the account, pinapunta pa tayo sa Tabang office just for the consolidation.
So weird.
Tapos ang kakaiba nun, they said once the consolidation is done, hindi pa nga automatic, unlike the sa auto sweep, once you applied for that, automatically consolidated agad. This one, it would take you 7 days before both accounts gets consolidated, and they would be creating a new account for that. They would have to create a separate consolidated account. Ang labo. So you have to wait for 1 week. Padadala daw through SMS yung bagong account number na gagamitin ko for both accounts.
Wow naman! Wow!
Unfortunately, since the time that we applied for the consolidation of our accounts, hindi pa dumarating yung bagong account number natin. Hence, since last year we weren't able to load any money into our Easy Trip account. Buti na lang hindi tayo nag-aalis. Otherwise, problema tayo. Ayun ang hassle doon, since we can only do the transaction doon sa Tabang office. Very much hassle. Problema na nga yung RFID reader nila. Pati ba naman yung pag-transact sa kanila, pahirap din.
Nararamdaman mo eh.
Di ba? Kasar. Nakakasar nun, we have to go to Tabang office pa to do all the transactions that we need to do. Unfortunately, yung Tabang office nila nasa dulo ng kanilang expressway.
Oh, hell no!
We were actually hoping na we would bring the NMAX, pero when you go to the office, the only exit you have is through the expressway. Hassle, di ba? Tipong magtatransa ka na lang, kailangan mo pa magbayad ng toll para lang makapunta doon sa office nila sa Tabang office.
Wala na, finish na.
Sino ba sa inyo naka-experience sa ganitong hassle with Easy Trip? Di ba hassle, no?
Tama kayo, tama kayo!
So anyway, that's our plan for today. We'll stop over muna doon sa reloading station nila just before the Balintawak toll gate. Hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung load netong ating RFID account dito kay Duke 390. So it's better na we load at least 500 man lang, at least for today's transaction, just to be on the safe side. Alright, for now, yun na lang muna. Yo. Alright, and let's gaming. Woo. It's been a while. I think huling entry natin is yung sa Baguio, which was nung March pa yun. Tagal na. So it's been almost 3 months. It's been a few months since we last took the NLEX Kasi lang ayoko ng ganito, traffic lang kwenta. So first, we need to drop by dun muna sa loading station nila. We need to load some cash into this RFID, itong Doc 390, siguro mga 500 minimum, I think. Tapos tignan natin kung if we could do a balance inquiry, tapos tanungin natin bakit hindi kaya mag-balance inquiry if ever na hindi natin masilip. Okay? Pero for now, yun lang muna. Okay, off-road gaming kasi haba ng pila. Yeah, yun. So sama dito yung loading. Papaload tayo. Papaload. Right. Ganun mo na. So dito tinitignan natin so far, walang mga transactions dito. Supposedly consolidated na siya, pero I don't have any transactions in here. Pero tanong na lang natin. Sir, question. Eto kasing dalawa, kinonsolidate ko. Ngayon, ang problema, hindi binibigay sa akin yung account number. Kasi di ba pag kinonsolidate na ito, gagawa sila ng bagong account number. Oo. Sa tabang office? Ha? Ha, hindi ko na kailangan pumunta ng tabang. Ha, dyan na yan. Mismo, sige. Ha? Face shield, sige, okay lang. Oh, yun. Buti na lang pala, nagtanong ako. So, ang kasi, na-enroll natin sa Easy Trip application, Easy Trip mobile app. So, nangyari kasi, na-enroll natin itong dalawang to, Easy Trip mobile app. Unfortunately, walang transactions na nag-a-appear. Kasi based doon sa consolidation last time, etong dalawang to, i-consolidate nila into one single account at magpo-provide sila ng bagong account number. So, chinek natin yung account na ito, walang lumalabas. So same for this one. Ito may recent transactions dapat kasi pabalik-balik tayo sa Tagaytay. Good thing pwede na ditong mag-inquire, hindi na natin kailangan pumunta ng tabang. That's good. So yun, kailangan daw na face shield and kailangan kong tanggalin yung helmet. So baka hindi ko na ma-document to. So yun na lang, magtatanong na lang muna, then I'll summarize ko ano yung magiging dealings ko later. Alright. So yung huling transaction ko is yesterday, galing kami Tagaytay, so nag-Galax kami. So yun yung pinaka-recent transaction namin. Pero confirm ko lang yung dalawang accounts ngayon na separate, deactivated na. Okay, sige. So deactivated. Nakita yung account, bibigay sa akin yung mother account ko, tapos try ko mag-load, tignan nila dun sa records nila kung mag-update. So good thing hindi na ako pupunta ng tabang. So that's good thing. Alright mga boss, so pabalik na tayo. So summary, both my account na nakalista doon sa card are both deactivated. So hindi na tayo makakapag-load using those account numbers. The bad side is, since deactivated na yun, we really need to have the mother account or yung consolidated account. Medyo nahirapan sila hanapin, but good thing they were able to find it. As you could see earlier, to test it out, nag-load tayo ng 500 pesos and we were able to confirm that the load did get credited to the new consolidated account. So good, pwede na yun. So I think our business is already done. It's already a done deal, and we could go home and we don't really have to go to Tabang office for our transaction. So kudos to the guys here at EasyTrip NLEX Balintawak customer service. Very helpful, very friendly, very accommodating. Okay, so uwi na tayo. Alright, sana mabasa. Di mabasa? Hindi.
Oh!
Okay na sana yung service doon sa customer service, but yung actual reader nakakabuisit. But anyways, kudos to EasyTrip guys who assisted me in getting my consolidated account. Very much appreciated yung assistance na in-extend nyo para sa akin, para hindi na ako pumunta doon sa Tabang office nyo.
Thank you very much.
But anyways, hopefully EasyTrip can have a better RFID reader para hindi na magkakaganyang aberya. Every time sa toll gate, lagi na lang walang palaya. But anyways, yun lang yung naging transaction natin for this trip. I was actually expecting more hassle. It was a good relief na tipong turned out to be much better than we anticipated. So right now, we are already going home. Okay? It's been a while. But anyways guys, I guess I'll end my vlog here. Thank you for watching. Hope you got something new from this trip. Alright, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and share. And if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to Bossy LPH and click that notification bell to be notified of our new uploads. Alright, so as always, stay awesome, stay safe. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.